How to sync Google Calendar with Slack. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can sync Google Calendar with your Slack account, so please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. This is quite simple. First of all, I really suggest you that this is your team and your account, and once you are into your home account, you must go down into the left panel and click on Add Apps. There you're gonna find, as you can see, the Google Calendar, but in case you didn't find it, you just have to type the word calendar, and I guess this is gonna be your first option. There are some other calendars if you want to add it into your Slack. So you just have to click on Add to Slack, and to continue and allow the permissions to link your Slack space with your Google Calendar. I'm going to allow here. Once the process is over, this is going to redirect you to your Slack page. And that's it. Thanks for watching.